Hey guys, hope you're doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to unflood an engine. In this case, the ignition control module was bad, so none of the coils were firing. So the engine flooded so bad that it hydrolocked. So before this, what you're going to see these videos, we removed the oil because it was so bad, and we put new oil in. We re removed the spark plugs and unplug the injectors, and that's what you're seeing in this part. Thank you.
Squirting! Okay, get a whole bunch of rice, Mike.
Damn, it squirted all over the wall.
This is number 3, Alex? Or 4?
Yeah, I feel like it's this one that it came out of.
You'll see it. Which one is wet?
This one was wet.
Check the wiring for them.
We're gonna have to check them all, yeah?
This is one. What the heck?
I mean, it was obviously one too.
What do you think about this?
Oh my god. To let it out.
Oh!
Is there compressed air? Wool gun?
Yeah, but I'm afraid, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna roll it out, go outside, and let it go out.
Oh yeah?
That's
Let's
gonna
do
be
that.
sick. Let's
Just crank it.
Wow. Too bad we're downwind. Too bad, yeah. Okay, stop cranking. Let Mike put that. The thing is that concerns me